crazy guys. Don't look now, but they're right there. Sold everything and came over here to the States with their camera and a microphone. Outstanding!
Cars on 100 yards. 24 is clear on the front. Clear on the bottom. 24 is making some pretty crazy moves all the way up front here, bud. All the way up front.
Keep life simple.
41 looking up the middle. Top of 3 again. Top of 3. Half back 95. Inside 48 now. Top of 2.
Just like when we were young, didn't need much to have a lot of fun. We live a life in simple ways. Was a gift that we shared every day. Having fun in the sun, being open for everyone. That's just. Let's just keep life simple.
Ready. Green. Still out there to 02. 17. Bumper tight. Staying in line.
Let's just keep life simple.
Well, with the credit cards back in my pocket, we were good to go. So we jumped back on the highway and made our way to Nashville, because I'd arranged a couple of the local characters we were going to interview. But first up, we had a breakfast tradition here on Blokes World. Twinkies. Welcome to the house of Jay Ryan. That's right, Jay Ryan is the man who owns Gusher Cycles. We found him on the internet and said to ourselves, this bloke belongs on our show. He basically builds choppers and bikes underneath his house. He's an absolute legend. I mean, we rocked up here on a Tuesday morning and he had arranged for all these blokes to take a day off work. He lit up the barbecue in the backyard and created a bit of a party for us. We had an absolute great time. I mean, check out some of the bikes. I mean, this one here, it is an absolute weapon, and some of the paintwork that's gone into these bikes are fantastic, let alone the fabrication. And he's doing this all underneath his house. I mean, that is awesome. Anyway, right now, let's meet one of the lucky customers from Gusher Cycles as they tell us about their ride.
G'day, what's your name and where you from?
My name's Kane. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, United States of America.
What's that between your legs?
It's an 82 Ironhead Sportster Harley Davidson.
How much you spent on that?
Probably like $4,000 or something, US.
What's the best memory you have of your bike?
Every time I've ridden it.
What would you trade that for?
2 more.
What was your first ever motorcycle?
78 CB 750 Honda.
Hey, tell me about your running gear.
I mean, I got a nice pair of Nikes at home, some sweats. Other than that, I pretty much run shirtless.
Hey, not that running gear. Tell me about your bike.
It's 1000cc 4-speed. It's not terribly fast, but it doesn't really bother me. I guess the rabbit ears, the bars, Springer's pretty unique. Tiny front wheel. That's usually like, you can't ride this without some whacker on the street just like stopping and beeping and...
You tell me more. We might be able to tee up a gig for you down under, maybe with the Freestyle Kings.
I have nothing left to say.
And you're watching Blokes World.
Jay Ryan, you're an absolute legend, mate. Great to finally meet you.
My pleasure.
Mate, awesome. Anyway, right now we're going to make our way back on the road. See you later, everyone. Yeah. Southern hospitality. You got to love it. Anyway, camera 3, how good was that, eh?
That was awesome.
Yeah, it was fantastic. We've got to hit the road. Anyway, come on, let's get in. Wow, how awesome was that, eh? Gusher Cycles.
A lot of blokes there.
A lot of blokes, a lot of good blokes.
He does everything himself.
What a legend. Cupcake?
Thanks. Cheers.
All right now, we're going to make our way to an RV park. We've been camping illegal, but right now I've got a real treat for Camera 3. I've booked us in something real special. We'll see you after this.
Why'd you invite the
I don't know. Does anybody actually know them?
They were.